Mr. Beast 2 here. So as you guys can see, my brand new fresh stoplight that I just got. This one is actually a real stoplight. It's about as tall as me. So I want to show you a little about it right now, a little around it. So here is the green lens, yellow lens, and the red lens. So a lot of you have been asking what's inside of one of these big gigantic traffic lights. The lens is very big. Look how big it is to my hand. So I took the visors off of this traffic light. This was a real traffic light taken off the post. And I wanted to show you here. I wanted to open these things up and turn it on and show you what's really inside of the traffic light. So first, I'm going to show you inside of this traffic light. You can see these little screws here. They're on all traffic lights, and watch when you unscrew the screws. Just watch the magic. It's so cool. This is a door, and this door opens once you're done opening up. Oops. It's a plastic traffic light, so yep. So, and here we go. This is what's inside of a traffic light. So what's inside of a traffic light is, here's a lens, and here's the reflector plate. This light bulb I replaced just with a regular fluorescent light bulb, but this is just a light bulb that I put in to demonstrate. Just a regular light bulb that goes in there. Regular light bulb socket. And when I first got this traffic light, you want to see what kind of light bulbs were in this when I got it? I'm going to show you right now and show you the actual light bulbs that was in this traffic light. So here's the actual light bulbs. This is the actual light bulb that was in the traffic. It is 135 watts. 135 watts. Sylvania, base down, 4 hours, 20 volts, 125V, 113.